Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You've opened your document and highlighted the text. Now start changing the background design. With text selected, go to the Home tab and locate the text highlight or shading options. These are separate tools for quick color versus fill. If you want a patterned background, instead press Design then Page Color for page-level choices. Once done selecting where the background should apply, make sure to save a copy before major style changes so you can revert if the color overwhelms the layout. Now apply the actual background. For paragraph fills, open Home, click the Shading dropdown and pick a solid color or more colors for exact RGB values. This changes the paragraph block. For inline emphasis, use Text Highlight Color. It's quick and non-intrusive. If you need patterns or gradients, open Borders and Shading, choose Fill Effects, and experiment with texture or gradient options. Make sure to preview on different zoom levels, so contrast and readability stay strong throughout the document. Finish by reviewing how the design behaves across the document. Switch to Print Layout and use Print Preview to ensure background shows as intended on paper. Digital color can differ from print. If the background reduces readability, increase contrast or choose a lighter tint. Alternatively, remove fill with shading no color. If the design disappears, confirm style inheritance and clear direct formatting. One troubleshooting tip: if printing strips backgrounds, enable Print Background, Colors, and Images in Word options before sending.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.